Our focus to what's happening in Prayagraj, where it is of course the 10th day of the Mahakumbh Mela and the city continues to welcome millions of devotees at the Triveni Sangam. It is of course, as you can see in those visuals over there, the world's largest religious gathering. Over 9 crore pilgrims have already taken a holy dip at the sacred confluence so far. In fact, today Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also arrive in Prayagraj sometime shortly, and after this he will attend the cabinet meeting in the Triveni Sankul Arel auditorium. The CM will also hold a press conference after the meeting, and he will also take a dip in the Triveni Sangam along with all other cabinet ministers of the Uttar Pradesh government. Post this, he will then leave for Lucknow. Of course, CM Yogi has already reviewed preparations for the Mauni Amavasya Amrit Snan that is to take place on the 29th of January. The Uttar Pradesh government has enforced robust measures on a large scale to ensure the availability of safe and hygienic food, new traffic rules as well. Meanwhile, my colleague Arzu Seth has filed a ground report on what all is going to happen. Let's take a look.
Hello and welcome, you are watching NewsX, and today marks the 9th day of the Mahakumbh 2025, and I will be highlighting the important events of the day. And today marks the very important day as the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be in Prayagraj to be the part of the Mahakumbh 2025. Also, a special meeting of the Uttar Pradesh cabinet will be held in Prayagraj area in Mahakumbh in in Prayagraj. The cabinet meeting which Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will chair will be attended by UP's government, all 54 ministers. Several schemes and the proposals for the state's development might be approved today at the meeting that will be related to the welfare of the public and development of the state. Also, after the meeting of the end of the meeting, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and all his ministers will take a dip in the Triveni Sangam and in the Mahakumbh area. In 2019 Kumbh Mela also, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had a dip in Triveni along with all the minister office, then government, Akhada Parishad President Narendra Giri and all other sense also accompanied CM Yogi. Also, all 54 ministers of the Uttar Pradesh government has been asked to attend the cabinet meeting, and also after the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will hold a press conference in which the information regarding the decision that has been taken in the cabinet meeting will be informed. Also, this marks the very important day, and the devotees from all across the world continues to visit the Mahakumbh to be the part of the spiritual gathering taking place here in the Prayagraj. Also, till now more than 9 crore people have already took a holy bath in the Triveni Sangam, and expectation is that around 400 million people will be taking the holy dip and will be part of the Mahakumbh 2025, this year's Mahakumbh. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.